Imagine if legal contracts could execute themselves, no lawyers needed. Or if you could buy a house or rent an apartment without a middleman. That's exactly what smart contracts do. They are like digital agreements that enforce themselves. Today, we'll break down how smart contracts work, why they are transforming industries, and why they are considered the most powerful tool in Web3. Ready to unlock the future of contracts? Let's dive in. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Investor TU, your host on PixPsychX. And if you missed our last episode on blockchain technology, I highly recommend checking it out first. Today, we are zooming into one of blockchain's biggest innovations, smart contracts. Now, if you're ready to see how smart contracts are revolutionizing everything from finance to gaming, hit that like button and subscribe to this community. Let's get started. All right, let's break it down. A smart contract is a self-executing program that lives on the blockchain. When certain conditions are met, the contract automatically performs the agreed action without stress. Okay, it's more of if this then that. You get that kind of logic applies with smart contracts. So let's use this analogy to get it to all right. So think of a vending machine. You put in money, select a product, and the machine automatically dispenses your snack. All right, no human is needed. A smart contract works exactly the same way. Right, it runs when inputs are received. It's that simple. But yeah, smart contracts don't just handle snacks, they can manage bank transactions, NFTs, real estate, and even more. It's that chill. I'm the architecture profession, and smart contracts can make me go into real estate in Web3. DeFi architect, smart moves. All right. So yeah, how do smart contracts work? How do smart contracts work? All right. So this is how they actually work. Smart contracts are coded on blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. Several other blockchains are available, but yes, they are programmed on blockchains. Now, step one, this is how smart contracts work. Step one, a developer writes the contract in a programming language like Solidity. Some people use Rust, all right? But yes, let's see like Solidity. Step two, the contract is deployed to the blockchain. And step three, when triggered by an event like sending crypto or minting an NFT, the contract executes itself. That's simple as that. For example, if you are buying an NFT, which is a non-fungible token, for those of us that don't know what this means, okay, a smart contract can actually help you verify payments and transfer ownership instantly. No escrow agent, no third party needed. It's as easy as that. Some of us will be thinking smart contract, okay, it's just for NFTs, just for these concepts online, blockchain, crypto, yeah. But there are also real world examples you can work with this here. Okay, so let me give you examples. Let me give you examples because smart contracts are literally everywhere. So let me show you some examples. So decentralized finance, okay. Platforms like Uniswap and Eve, they actually use smart contracts to automate loans, swaps, and staking. No banks involved. Remember, normally if you want to get your funds, you want to get loans, you want to swap some currencies, you want to stake or that place it in the bank for interest, you actually go to the bank, literally do that, okay, with your bank managers and the rest involved. With a smart contract, you, the program, your results, nobody else, no intermediary, you're cool to go with that. Simple as that. Another example is NFTs. And every NFTs you buy or sell that's powered by smart contracts, the smart contracts actually handle the minting, transferring, and royalties. Simple as that. Check out OpenSea or Haribo Marketplace to understand better. It's simple, all right? DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. Now, DAOs actually use smart contracts to govern communities without CEOs or managers. Members vote, and smart contracts automatically execute the results. Simple. You have gaming. Under gaming, blockchain games like Axie Infinity, they actually use smart contracts for in-game assets that players truly own. So you can see how various operations can work based on smart contracts with the blockchain technology taken care of. So it's really, really important we need to understand this concept. Now, why are smart contracts actually game changers? Why are we spending time talking about smart contracts right now? Why not talking about something else on the web too? All right, why smart contracts? Let me explain better. Okay, smart contracts have a trustless transaction. They don't need to trust a third party. The code enforces the deal. Code over interference. Code enforces the deal. Simple. They are transparent. Every smart contract is visible on the blockchain, so anyone can edit the process. Simple. Cost savings. You don't need to pay for lawyers, you don't need to pay for middlemen, just pure and divine automation. Beautiful. Security. Once deployed, smart contracts are tamper proof. You don't need to even tamper with it. Once deployed, they are there. All right. Operations of the smart chain are immutable. Remember what I mentioned in our last video. So it's very, very basic to understand that smart contracts are game changers because they have trusted transactions, they are transparent, they save costs, and they are secured. All right. So that's the power of smart contracts, farm. That's the power. In our next video, we're going to be exploring NFTs and how they are more than just digital arts. So definitely do it to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. All right. Do it to join our communities via the link in the description, our Telegram community mainly, and our X handle so you can get more updates on trading insights, smart contracts, Web3 concepts, and just keep on bagging the funds. I'll be seeing you next one, champs. Peace.